Hey everybody, this has been um yeah, I feel good today. And do you know sorry for that. That's my dog Rudy barking. Do you know why I feel good today? I feel good because I talked about needs versus wants. You know what needs versus wants is? I mean, I always get upset when things don't work out, but I talked all day about needs versus wants, and needs versus wants is a great strategy. I love it. It's helping with my coping mechanisms in life. I just started doing this, talking about this topic today. A need is, needs are things like air conditioning, needs are things like flu shots, COVID shots. Those, if you don't want to catch bugs, you need those for the winter this year. The booster of COVID, the flu shot, annual flu shot. Now soon, it we're annual COVID shot. You need things like that. You need dishwashers installed from Lowe's. That's a need. Whereas of wants are things like you want to play golf, you want to go to sporting events, you want to have props if you want to make movies, you want to play the piano, you want to learn the guitar. That's all wants. You don't need them. Watching your favorite football team win or lose, bad or good year, is a want. Going to meetings is a need. You need meetings if you have a business. Going to see clients is a need. Money is a need. Having shelter, houses where I am at home, of course, is need. You need shelter. Certain groceries, needs. Food is needs. You need food in order to survive. Water is a need. Jobs are for the most part, needs. Doctors and dentists should be needs. I mean, they're, some people deny them or they don't go to them, but they should be needs. Okay? If you have a dog, dog food is a need. Medicine, if you take medicine, is a need. Yes, all of this stuff is needs. Wants, you want to go to the fair, that's a want. You want to go to the movie theater, that's a want. You want to attend a concert, like if a rock concert, if oh, I don't know, fill in the blank, somebody from American Idol like Kelly Clarkson came out here to the Joel Coliseum and you wanted to attend it, it's a want. You don't need to go to a concert in order to survive. You want to see Kelly Clarkson in her rock concert when she tours and she happens to be in town. It's a want. You don't need to go see her. It's a want. What else? Okay. Going out to lunch, going out to dinner is a want. Your favorite restaurant rotation is a want. Getting gas from the gas station is a need. Getting your car inspected is a need. So, yeah, trick or treating or giving out candy to trick or treaters is a want. You don't need trick or treating. You want trick or treating. Halloween candy is a want because Halloween's coming up, by the way. That's why I said all that. Okay, your birthday cake. It was my birthday recently. It's a want. You want a certain cake. Balloons is a want. College is a want slash need. There are want slash needs. If you take piano lessons, you need lesson. I mean, if you have piano, you want slash need lessons. But recitals you want to attend, but you need lessons. Master classes are wants. slash needs. What else? Okay, let's see. College is a want and a need. It's both. Same. Traveling depends. It's a need and a want. You want to go somewhere. You don't need to go to Las Vegas or St. Louis or Texas or California, LA. You want to go to New York City. You want to see a Broadway play. That's all a want. You don't need it unless you have a house in Florida like I do. That's a need. You need to go visit, especially in a hurricane. It's a need. It's a need. If you go on a business trip with a client, that's a need. If you go see a relative, unless it's a third cousin, that's a need. You want to go visit your third cousin, but you don't need to visit them like you do your first cousins. Yeah, so there you go. It's needs and wants. And another thing, you want to go out to lunch. It's a want. You want to go check out books from the library. It's a want. You need, Home Depot is sort of a need, and Lowe's sort of a need slash want. You need things to home improvement items, but you don't need to go to Home Depot. You want to go. M&M's from Home Depot is a want. Wood, if you're building from Home Depot, is a need. So there it goes. CVS Pharmacy is a need. You need a pharmacy. Walgreens is a need. It's essential. Clients are a need. Yeah, I said that. School is a need. Yeah, I'm going to keep talking about it a little. Okay. Sorry about that. I'm in the hall. Okay, I'm talking about needs and wants. Okay, I'm in the dark, so I'm going to turn on the light. I'm in my room. More about needs and wants. Sorry for the long video. Okay, here. I'm back. Here it is. So, okay. I can talk more about it. I was in another room. Here I am in my old room. You know it, probably recognize it. Okay, so what else? Okay, all right. Anyway, Christmas presents or wants. We have this thing here out in Clemens I go to. I've been there before, called the Festival of Lights. I mean, you don't need to go there. It's especially true if you're old. But if you do want to see it, if you go drive through it, it's a want. You don't need that place. It's definitely a want. It's a want. Thanksgiving turkey is a need. Yeah, Thanksgiving's in a month or so. You need a Thanksgiving turkey at Thanksgiving. It's a need. Yeah, that's a need. Being thankful at Thanksgiving is a need. What else? Okay. Everyone, not everyone. I should take that back. A lot of people, but not everyone, is at football games. College especially right now. Going to those, not everyone's going. A lot of people, families are, but it's not a tradition or anything, but it's a want. Going to tailgates is a want. You don't need to go to that. I mean, it's a want. You don't have to go to football games. It's a want. You want to go. Basketball games, same thing. You want to go to see. You want to go see with your family NC State versus Notre Dame in basketball, or Duke and Carolina. It's a want. I mean, everyone goes with families. I've been to the Dean Dome. I mean, people get invited. It's like football games, college basketball games, that time of year. It's a want. It's not a need. America does it. It's a want. Just like football, it's a want. Going to a Panthers game down in Charlotte is a want. You don't need to go to Panthers games. Heck, people not even in Charlotte attend them. It's a want. What else? Yeah, it's a want. Making TikTok, which I don't like. Videos. People do it, but They want to get big. They want it. It's a want. And this month too is also voting. Everyone, I don't want to talk about politics here, but Democrat, Republican, we know. I mean, we need politics. I know that if you have that opinion, you need them. Some people believe that strongly. I won't get into it, but it's a need. You need them. But when it comes to voting, going to the ballot, casting your vote, you don't have to do that. I mean, unless you feel strongly about it, you need it. But in reality, going to vote is in November, going to the electoral box in your local district, downtown or whatnot, going to vote as a Democrat, Republican is a want. It's a want. I'm being honest, it's a want, yes. There's a difference. You don't need to go vote. You want to go vote. It's a free country. That's a want. Going to church. I don't want to talk about that either. Religion. It's a private thing too, like politics. It's a want. I mean, unless you really think you need Jesus, you need God, it's a need, but it's a want. To attend church on Sundays, which unfortunately I've never been, but I'm a religious guy, which you probably know, but sadly I haven't. But really, going to church is definitely a want. It's a want. Just like voting is a want. It's not a need. Unless you feel strongly about a politician or God or Jesus, it's a need. But really, for the most part, it's a want. Going to the mall, unless you need something from there that'll save your life, a life-saving prescription from whatever, is a need. But going to the mall is a want. Getting a hamburger from McDonald's or a Wendy burger at Wendy's, the Wendy's drive-thru, is a want. Pizza night from Papa John's or Domino's is a want. Not a need, it's a want. Or Mellow Mushroom, it's a want. Yeah, it's a want. You don't need pizza, you want it. It's a want. Super Bowl pizza and wings is a kind of a both. It's a need. You need to celebrate the Super Bowl, even if your team didn't make it. With wings, that's sort of a need. It's like Thanksgiving, but it's a want also. So yeah, yep. Easter candy, Easter chocolates is a want. Okay, now you know the thing about needs and wants. Props is a want. Pirate statues, cigar Indians is a want. I mean, buying them expensive things is a want. They're rare, it's a want. It's not a need, it's antiques, it's a want. Yeah. And toys is a want. Like if you want, to go to Mass General and get candy and toys, if you're a kid of that age, it's a want. Yep. You don't need toys. You don't need candy. You want candy. You want toys. Okay? Lawnmowers or yard men are a need. Maids who clean your house is a need. So, you get the gist. Alright, and bug men who pest controls is a need. Alright, I'll see ya. Now you know about needs and wants.